Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Windows 1125H2 rollback loop after an update. If your PC keeps rolling back, the first step is to enter the Windows recovery environment. To do this, force your PC to shut down by holding the power button for about 10 seconds while it is starting. Turn it on again, and as soon as the logo or spinning dots appear, force it off again. Repeat this 3 times. On the fourth start, Windows will enter the recovery environment. Choose Advanced Options. Next, uninstall the update that caused the problem. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Uninstall Updates. Choose the latest quality update if it was a small update, or the latest feature update if it was the 25H2 update. Follow the prompts and restart your PC. If the loop continues, you need to clear the update cache. In the recovery environment, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and select Startup Settings. Click Restart, then press 4 or F4 to enter Safe Mode. In Safe Mode, open File Explorer and go to the C drive. Open the Windows folder and look for the Software Distribution folder in it. Delete all files and folders inside this folder. Restart your PC. After this, Windows should update without rolling back. Thanks for watching.